What's the meaning of CDC? CDC. CDC.
CDC. CDC. CDC stands for Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, a national public health institute in the United States. It is responsible for protecting public health and safety by preventing and controlling the spread of disease. The CDC provides information and resources on a variety of health topics, including infectious diseases, chronic diseases, environmental health, injury prevention, and workplace safety. It also conducts research and offers guidance to healthcare professionals and policymakers. Overall, the CDC plays a crucial role in promoting and maintaining public health in the U.S.